We are talking about all the hottest trends when it comes to our hair and nails this fall. Let's get the looks we love at home. Sounds good. Celeb stylist and do-it-yourself expert Gregory Patterson and Sally Beauty crew member Asea May join us with more. Thank you both for being here.
Thanks for having us. With over 1,200 shades, we really have everything you need to dip into the fall hair and nail trend this year at Sally Beauty.
And we have nearly 800 nail polishes on the shelves right now that you can go in stores and view to select a shade that best fits your needs.
So what's happening with the fall hair trends is everything jewel tones. So think of those summer colors that have faded out, like your reds and pinks. We are able to just layer directly on top these beautiful dark cherries and beetroots, or maybe you had a blue fade out. That galactic teal by Ion Color Brilliance is going to be your perfect tone this season. And for all your hair color maintenance, we got you covered there as well, with over 950 gray covered shades, 250 vibrant shades. Everything you need can be found at Sally Beauty.
And you don't have to skip out on your nails. You can make sure to take care of your hair and nails by coming into Sally Beauty and finding the most beautiful shades on the shelf. I'm rocking right now I Can't Adult Right Now by Beauty Secrets, which is a gorgeous glitter shade. Glitter is very in this fall. Definitely recommend trying that out, but just make sure to buff those nails first.